What's up, YouTube? So tonight I'm in the garage and I've got the pit bikes I've been working on a little bit. I bought this from my neighbor for like 40 bucks and a weed whacker, and it had a 90cc motor in it, semi, and the motor next to it is the 50, because I did a swap with a 70cc. I recorded all of it, but I'm a retard, so somehow the footage got deleted. But this thing was running really nice for a little while, and I was having fun on it, and then it just stopped working. So I don't know, I went through the entire thing, and the only thing next to do is pull the head off of it and see if I got anything in the valves. I might have no compression. But I'm sick of this. I've had very bad luck with pit bikes, so I've got something to show you. So I went out tonight. There's my kitty Rampage. And I bought a brand new SSR 125. Brand new, right off the showroom floor. Never even had a tank of gas in it. And I think I deserve it, you know? I deserve to ride something that isn't a piece of shit. So, here we go. I mean, granted, we do have a ton of snow right now. So we're actually going to go riding on the sleds tomorrow. But once everything dries up, I'll be able to get this going. And just a sneak peek, Austin went and got a brand new SSR a week ago, so I got somebody to ride with as much as he's allowed to. What's up, guys? So I'm in the garage today, and I changed the oil on my new SSR. Got it warming up right now. Gonna get it through at least one heat sink. Bobby just got an SSR 140. He's ripping that around. Not really doing the recommended heat cycle, and he may regret that. So they say heat it up for 3 to 5 minutes and then ride it around at low RPM for about 5 minutes. Shut it off, let it cool down entirely. I told him we could do the heat cycles here because they wouldn't call the cops. What if he's riding like that? Get the cops called. That's fucking cool. What's up, YouTube? So today I'm in the garage and I'm going to be doing a mod on my SSR. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be swapping the exhaust out, like the first mod like anybody else does. And I got this exhaust right here off of that 90cc bike that I bought, and it's pretty much the same thing as anything you're going to buy off Amazon or eBay, and it's free, so you know, I just got to clean up all the dirt and shit and I'll put it on. Bobby's a faggot, yeah. And I'm gonna do a sound test real quick and show you what this sounded like beforehand. Alright, so that's what it sounded like beforehand. It's pretty fucking loud already, but I'm gonna put this on it after I clean it up, and you can see all the way through it. Not yet. What we've also got going is we're fixing the 70cc, and we're gonna swap it to this frame if I can actually get it to roll. It's pretty seized up right now. The whole frame is seized up? Well, I mean like the front tire and back. You know what? No one likes a peanut gallery when someone's trying to fend. So yeah, we're getting this new head put on. New. because this is the one that came out of it, and the intake valve is not seating, and it has no compression.
Because look, I've set that goddamn head down. Right in there, you can see, I don't know if the camera's will focus or not, but you can see that there's a gap between the valve and the valve, which is like totally supposed to be there.
Yeah. For extra fuel to get in all the time. So yeah, that's what we're up to. I've got the exhaust all polished up to as much as I give a shit, because it's just going to get dirty anyways. And now I'm going to slap it off and try not to take the plastics off while I do it. Eat me. Alright, so I'm taking the plastics off.
Hold you.
Because it seems that it's just easier to take the plastics off.
If only somebody had mentioned that.
What's that?
That you had to take the plastics off.
Yeah.
If only you had that one guy.
Well, what's your background knowledge? You've owned an SSR for a day and a half before it went back to the shop.
Yeah, fuck me. I only went to school to work on shit. But the goddamn belt pin, mother fucking.
Bobby's having a good time putting this head on. And I'm just here taking plastics off. Those are gay.
Not gay.
Who puts leather seats in a transit?
Well, how else am I supposed to clean up my boyfriend's cup?
Alright, so Bobby wants to see what it sounds like without the muffler on it. Really loud and obnoxious.
It's not even that loud, it's just hollow.
Alright, so we got the new exhaust on with some very aggressive convincing and cutting. But it's on there, and it doesn't really look that good. I'm not really that psyched with it. So I may just order one. I figured out I need about a 28mm exhaust. I'll order it off Amazon for $30, I guess. But we'll do a sound test on it. Toss my gear on, and then I'll go take a rip in the snow. So we got the bike parked now, and I kind of decided that this thing sounds and looks like garbage. So I'm gonna put the old one on. But it was pretty fun ripping it now. This thing's covered, and I got the air filter covered here. But this thing rips pretty good in the snow. I mean, honestly, you'd think because it's carved it'd run like shit, but it doesn't. So that's good. What's up? So today I'm at Austin's house, and we got both the SSRs and a shit ton of snow. And I think he's gonna try to ride the quad if we can get it going. So I guess we'll see how that goes. Bell, dude. Look at this fucking snow. It's... Oh man. Fucking bitch. So we're all done riding now. It was really fun for what it is. This snow's super tight packed, so we ended up having to run a piece of shit snowblower and make a path, and we could only ride like short track and like really tight berms, but it was still hella fun. These things are fucking crazy in the snow, but not really pit bike weather right now. Honestly, I might go snowmobiling this weekend. So if you liked the content, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.